Welcome to Kids Virtual School. Hey kids! Welcome back to our learning adventure. Today, we're going to explore the world of vegetables, over 100 of them. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Vegetables come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are crunchy, some are leafy, and some even grow underground. They're super healthy and make us strong. Let's start naming them. First up, we have root vegetables. These grow underground and give us lots of energy. Carrot, beetroot, radish, turnip, sweet potato, ginger, onion, garlic, yam. Great job! Next are the leafy greens. These veggies are packed with vitamins. Spinach, kale, lettuce, cabbage, collard greens, Swiss chard, arugula, mustard greens. Let's keep going. Look at these veggies. They belong to the cruciferous family. They're crunchy and delicious. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, bok choy, cabbage, kohlrabi. You're doing amazing! Let's explore the squashes and gourds. They come in fun shapes and sizes. Pumpkin, zucchini, butternut squash, acorn squash, spaghetti squash, cucumber, bottle gourd. Which one is your favorite? Now, meet the colorful and spicy veggies. Bell pepper, red, yellow, green, chili pepper, jalapeno, tomato. Yes, it's a vegetable here. Eggplant, okra. Wow, these veggies really bring the flavor. Beans, peas, and pods are next. They're fun to pick and eat. Green beans, peas, snow peas, sugar snap peas, lima beans, edamame, black-eyed peas. What sounds do these veggies make when they pop out of their pods? Now, let's look at some exotic veggies you may not see every day. Artichoke, asparagus, fennel, leek, jicama, endive, radicchio, celery root, celeriac, taro, water chestnut, lotus root. These veggies sure are special. There are still so many more vegetables. Let's go super fast and name even more. Corn, mushroom, chickpeas, bamboo shoots, chayote, bitter gourd, snake gourd, drumstick, patty pan squash. Wow! We named over 100 vegetables today. Can you remember some of them? Which ones do you love to eat? Thanks for learning with us today. Don't forget to eat your veggies and stay strong. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.